So Rasamala. Who can drink the sweet nectarian and pastimes of Krishna, and which is described in Srimad Bhagavatam. Rasik and Bhavuk. Rasika Bhuvi Bhavuka. Here, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pal and other Goswamis very nicely and elaborately explain about the meaning of Rasik and Bhavuka. Actually, who is Rasik? He is Bhavuk, or who is Bhavuk? He is Rasik. Rasik means he is Bhavuk. Who is qualified to realize the prema madhurya rash. He is called Rasika. And Bhavuka means one who completely, absolutely absorbs. Listen, listen.
Everybody is holding me.
What did he say?
He said who is Rasik is also Bhavuk.
Bhavuk means one who completely, absolutely absorbs with his transcendental constitutional form, and with its transcendental constitutional form Siddhadeha serves his Ishtadeva.
This is not working. It's not working.
Ishtadeva, divine Kula Radha and Krishna. That is called the Bhavuk. Maybe someone become Rasik, maybe not his Bhavuk. This is also. But maybe someone Bhavuk, maybe he is not Rasik. But here in this verse, Vasudev has written, Nigama kalpatoror galita phalam sukha mukhad amrita drava sangyutam pibata bhagavata rasa malayam. Srimad Bhagavat is called the very nice, beautiful, juicy, ripened fruits. Are you listen, Harikatha? Don't disturb. When you speak Harikatha, don't disturb. What is going and going on? If you disturb, then stop. Disconnect it. Rasika Bhuvibhav. Srimad Bhagavatam, I told, the Srimad Bhagavatam, very nice, beautiful, ripened, juicy fruit. Vedas, that is called the Kalpa Vriksha, desert trees. That Vedas Kalpa desert trees, very nice, beautiful, ripened, juicy fruit, that is called Srimad Bhagavatam. In Srimad Bhagavatam, these juicy fruits, no skin, peel, no seed, nothing. Well, how possible? In this material, all kinds of fruits, there must be skin, peel, or maybe inside some seed. But here this fruit has no skin, no peel, and no seed, and full of juice, rasa malayam. They how possible? Because this is called transcendental fruit. Prakita. Very nice, beautiful. This fruit. So this Srimad Bhagavatam, the fruits of Srimad Bhagavatam. Ved Rupi Kalpavriksha. Ved is called the digitory, and that digitory fruit, Srimad Bhagavatam. It's a Nigama Kalpataru Balit Bhagam Phalam, Sukam Khat Amrita Dravasvim Samjitam. Then this ripened juicy fruit touched by the beak of the Sukapakshi. Sukapakshi means parrots. And they then are more tasty and relishable and delicious. Sukamukhad amritam. Sukamukhad amritam dravas samjutam. Pivata bhagavata rasamalayam. And this Bhagavat rasa madhurja, who is relishing? Now giving the who is qualified to taste Rasika and Bhuvika. Now question is coming, who is called Rasik or who is called Bhavuk? First understand who is called, who has Ras, he is called Rasik. Rasmadhuj. Vyatito bhavna vartvaiva jat chamatkara bharabhu. This is the definition about Ras. Vyatito bhavna vartvaiva jat chamatkara bharabhu. Saddo raso idojjalam. Ras madhurya means this Vyatito bhavna vartvaiva jat chamatkara bharabhu. That means one's heart completely free from all kinds of material sense gratifications. That means one's heart completely what? Neat and clean. Even no any smell of desire to merge in Brahma. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha, what is? This is also nothing. Nothing. His heart is as like crystal. Crystal means crystal. So in his heart, the Vyatita Bhavna Vartaiva Chamatkara Bharabhu. Beyond of the conception of material things, Jat Chamatkara. Chamatkara means very relishable and tasty. And never you realize before taste these things. The chamatkar bharavu. Saddo rasa jala. Ujjal ras. Ujjal ras means madhurja ras. Ujjal ras means actually that is called conjugal ras. Name is called Ujjal ras. That means one's heart completely absorbed with the Madhurja Ras. Braj Madhurja Gopis Bhav. That Madhurja Ras. And actually he is called the Rasik. And Sadhu Sadhu Pade Pade. Srimad Bhagavatam Sadhu Sadhu Pade Pade. Every second, every step, he is relishing the Madhurya Ras. And he always absorbs Krishna's Ras Madhurya Katha. Actually, he is called Rasik. He is very expert to speak, glorify about Radha Krishna's very confidential amorous pastimes. Actually, he is called Rasika. Or Bhavuk, who is called Bhavuk? Who has Bhav, he is called Bhavuk. Bhavuk means mood. Bhav means mood. Okay? Then, again giving the definition about Bhav. What is the definition of Bhav? Suddha Sattva Visheshatma Premo Sujjang Samabhaka Ruchi Vichitta Smarsina Kridaso Bhav Uchyati. That means Suddha Sattva Visheshatma Prema Suddha Sattva. Then sadhak heart completely free from all kinds of material sense gratification. Then heart is called neat and clean. So, in that the heart, on the platform of Sandhini, then Sambhit and Radhini manifested. That means Bhakti Devi is coming. Then his heart is very soft. And every second he realized the sweet pastimes of Krishna. So Suddha Sattva Visheshatma. Here Visheshatma means one special particular mood of Brajavasis. Especially the mood of Srimati Radhika. Vishesh means special. Whose special mood? Very tasty. Srimati Radhika. Because Srimati Radhika's mood is highest mood. Snehaman, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav. Then Rudha, Udhirudha, then Mohan, then Madanakha Mahabhav. So Madanakha Mahabhav, that is called the special mood. This is only in the heart of Srimati Radhika. So this special mood, Madanakha Mahabhavs, one the sprinkle. Let's go one, what is it called? Drop. Very tiny drop. Srimati Radhika's Mahabhavs, Madanakha Mahabhavs, one very small drop manifested his heart. Then his life will be successful. Sutta Studiya Prema Santyam Siva Ruchi Bhi Chitta Smarshina. Ruchi Bhi Kanti Bhi Chitta Smarshina. Here Kanti means is what? General Kanti means that is called delight or rays. That is called Kanti. Illumination. English word Kanti means illumination. Illuminated. As like the house or place is illuminated with the rays of the gems. You know gems? One kind of, what is it called? Stone. Mani Mukta. That is Mani, understand?
Yes.
Gems. And that is called, that is the radiance. Actually radiance. Kanti means, actually English word that is called radiance. So much radiance comes. In your, what is called, electronic device. Radiance coming. Electric radiance coming. And very mind radiance, all radiance coming. So in the same way, the radiance of the gems and illuminated that. And that are Ruchi Bhi, Kanti Bhi. Here Kanti means radiance of the prem of Srimati Radhika, which dropped in the heart of the pure devotee. Just one sprinkle. Radhika Prema. Then Ruchi Bhi, then again Ruchi Bhi, so much taste will come also. There are two meanings. Ruchi Bhi, Ruchi means the radiance of the divine love of Srimati Radhika. On the sprinkle, divine love of Srimati Radhika. And another Ruchi means so much taste will also come. Two meanings is come. So much taste will come to listen that katha. Ruchi Bhi. Chitta Smarshina. And that time heart will be very soft. Marsinna means very soft. And Chittana Kitasu, that is called Bhava Uchati. And this bhav is going in this way. Sneho, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Then Bhav, and then Mahabhav. And then Mahabhav, in the stage of Mahabhav, many kinds of symptoms are there. And sometimes meeting, sometimes separation, that is called Sambhog, and Vipralambha, meeting and separation. So in this way, sadhak's heart, bhava das, this is that time he completely absorbed with the sweet pastimes of Divine Guru Radha and Krishna and serve to Divine Guru Radha and Krishna with his mood. So Rasik and Bhavuk. Rasik sometimes are speaking very Ras Madhurya Katha. This is also Rasik. Giving some encouragement. Oh, he is very Rasik. He speaks very nice, sweet words. I am enjoying his Katha. Realizable. This is called Rasik. This is true. Many people and whole Katha is what? And makes laugh or makes what? Cry. And crying. Then making laughing. So then you really say, oh, very nice. Or some people are speaking some katha as like dry wood. Suska katha. Maybe only speaking what is katha? Tattva Siddhanta. Understand? Okay. Only Tattva Siddhanta. And same person, another person, same katha, he speaks with very Ras Madhurya katha. This Rasik. I like Sanatana Goswami Pad. And same Bhagavad Katha slokas, same slokas. But he gave explanation Madhurya Ras katha. This quoted the slokas of Sakrash, but he gives the explanation and Gopi's Madhurya Ras katha. Well, how possible? Because Sanatana Goswami Pad, because Sanskrit word, Karak, Vibhakti and some you change, then meaning another will come. I'll give an example. Ithang satang brahma sukhanubhattam dasangatanang paradaivatenam mayasritanang naradharakena sardhang brijahu kritapurna punja. As for these slokas for the Sakras Katha. How Krishna realizing friendship mood with Subal Siddham. Ittang satang brahma sukhanubhutta dasangatanang paradaivaten maya sritanang naradharakena sardhang vijahu kritapurna punja. Oh, how Subal Siddham, they are very fortunate. Sakarash, Subal Siddham, they are playing with Krishna. Kandhe chade. Sometimes they climbed on the shoulder of Krishna. And sometimes they also carried Krishna with their own shoulder. Sometimes they are giving their remnants to Krishna. And sometimes they are taking remnants from Krishna. Feeding to Krishna and taking his remnants. Laughing, joking, sometimes quarreling, sometimes fighting. In this way. So, Ittang satang brahma sukhana uttam dasangatanang paradaivatena mayasritanang naradharakena. Those who are completely elucidated by Maya, here just I use this word, Maya asritanang naradharakena. Naradarukena. Those who are that conditional soul, Nara means conditional soul. Naradaru. Maya Sritana, then completely elucidated by Maya or captivated by Maya. They are thinking Krishna is an ordinary cowherd. So Sanatana Goswami Pad also use this word Naradarukena. Here Nara means human being. Or Dar means, Sanskrit word Dar means wife. Understand? Dar. Dar means wife also. And Dar means also gate or door. Many meanings, many synonyms. Nara Dara Krina. Nara means human being. Dar means separate word. Nara Dara. Nara means, what did he say?
Wife or gate.
The wife of the human being. So who is the wife of human being in Braj? That's the wife of the gopis, then gopis' husband. So that means Krishna performing his topmost pastimes with the wife of the gopas. Understand? You may not understand, but understand something. Yeah, Nara means gopa. Naga means gopa. Understand? Adara means wife. Is the wife of gopas. That means Krishna, the wife of gopas means is what? Gopis. Do you understand? That means Krishna, he performs Armas pastimes, Ras Leela with the gopis. Where the Sakkaras Katha, and now Sanatana Goswami Pad explain Madhurya Ras Katha. Slok is their Sakkaras. But Sanatana Goswami Pad, if that definition, explanation about Gopi is Madhurya Ras Katha. So this is called the Rasik Vaishnava. Those who are Rasik Vaishnava, one slok, one word can also transfer in Madhurya Ras, Prem Madhurya. So for the Sanatana Goswami Pad in Brihad Bhagavatam Mritam, he mentions one special chapter. What is the name? Rasayan chapter. You read Brihad Bhagavatam Mritam. Last he also explained the slokas, different slokas. Even Das Rasakka, Vasala and Madhu. All slok he also collected from Srimad Bhagavatam. And he gives the explanation on Madhurya Ras. Madhurya. Das Sakkaras Katha, he gives the explanation Madhurya Ras Katha. So this is called the Rasik. And this Ras Madhurya Katha, who is releasing again? Now Bhavuk, who is completely absorbed and with his own transcendental constitutional form. He is actually Bhavuk. They give an example, Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami, Mahaprabhu's Lila is Raghunath Das Goswami. Or Krishna Lila, who is he? Roti Manjari. He is Roti Manjari. Or Mahaprabhu's Lila, Rupa Goswami. Mahaprabhu's Lila, Rupa Goswami. Or Radha Krishna's Lila, who is he? Rupa Manjari. साधक रूपेण सिद्ध रूपेण चत्र ही साधक रूप एंड सिद्ध रूप. साधक form is called Raghunath Das Goswami and he is called Rupa Goswami. A siddha rupena in transcendental concept form in there, that is called Rati Manjari and Rupa Manjari. But Raghunath Das Goswami in his beloved Kusmanjali, first look, glorifies about Rupa Manjari. He did not glorify about Rupa Goswami. He glorified about Rupa Manjari. And the pranam mantra is there. And in this world, in this material world, sadhak, that is called sadhak form. And that is some opulence. That is Sanskrit word, that is called Gaurava Buddhi. What did he say? Gaurava Buddhi. Gaurava Buddhi means opulence. He is senior, I am junior. And this types of, that is called Gaurava Buddhi Sanskrit word. When these types of Gaurava Buddhi, that time not exist, the transcendental, that prema, that would be covered. And when this Gaurava Buddhi, remember the Gaurava Buddhi means, what did he say? Opulence mood. What is the opulence mood? He is senior, I am junior. He is senior, I am junior. I am insignificant. He is learned, he is learned scholar. I am less intelligent. These types of people. Sadhak, you will sadhak people. Raghunath Das Goswami is sadhak stage. He is thinking, oh, Sanatana Goswami path, Rupa Goswami path. They are senior to me. They are very near and dear Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They are also aged. Aged means? Older. Understand? These things. And they have vast of knowledge, many things. So these types of is called Gaurava Buddhi. When Raghunath Das Goswami, he meets with Sanatana Goswami path, then he is doing pranam or Rupa Goswami path. Vaishnava etiquette. Look this. Sanatana Goswami path and Raghunath Das Goswami path. Or Raghunath Das Goswami path or Rupa Goswami path. When Raghunath Das Goswami, he meets with Rupa Goswami path, he completely what? Doing pranam, prostrate. Completely lay down and doing pranam. He is very near his dear Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Rupa Goswami path, he is learned and scholar. He wrote many granthas. Understand? And he is very close to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, most of the time, he glorifies Rupa Goswami. So Raghunath Das Goswami, he gives a reference to Rupa Goswami. This is called Sadhaka Rupena. Sadhaka Rupena, these types of etiquette behave. Understand this? And Raghunath Das, Rupa Goswami path, Rupa Sanatan, they also nourishment to Raghunath Das Goswami as like their younger brother. छोटे भाई को they also younger brother. Nourishment. And Raghunath Das Goswami also glorified to what is his name? Sanatana Goswami path. What is the glorification? How do you pranam mantra? You don't know? You don't know. Vairagya bhakti rasam prajatni apayanamam anubhipsvamnam kripam buddhija paradukha dukhi sanatanastam prabhumasrayami. Learn this sloka. This is also Guru Tattva sloka. Vairagya jog bhakti rasam prajatni apayanamam anubhipsu andham kripam buddhija paradukha dukhi sanatanastam prabhumasrayami. Vairagya jog bhakti rasam. The simple meaning is that, beloved Kusmanjali, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami, he, what is called? Offered his reverence, pranam, in these slokas. Well, how Sanatana Goswami path, he is my Guru. Shiksha Guru. जो वैराग्य युग भक्ति रसंग प्रजत्नि अपायन माम अनभिष्य अंधम. Raghunath Das Goswami very humble. He's saying, I have no taste to practice bhakti. He's saying this. A Sanatana Goswami path, by force, he also engaged me bhakti. But what bhakti? Vairagya yukta bhakti. Vairagya yukta bhakti. How to detach from material sense gratifications and serve to divine Radha and Krishna. The simple meaning. So Vairagya yukta bhakti rasam. Prajatri apayanumam. Prajatri means very carefully. He engaged me to serve divine Radha. Prajatri apayanumam. Anabhipsu andham. Raghunath Das Goswami humble is saying, I have no desire to practice bhakti. Anabhipsu means I have no desire to practice bhakti. Andham means I am completely blind. And I have no taste to practice bhakti. Even I completely blind also. And I don't know who is Krishna, and who is Srimati Radhika, and what is the meaning of bhakti of Jnana. But Sanatana Goswami path, by force, he engaged me bhakti, how to serve. Bhakti means what? Devotional service to divine Radha and Krishna. So saying, Sanatanastam Prabhumasrayam. Sanatanam. So I pay my reverence, pranam, the lotus feet of Sanatana Goswami, Prabhumasrayam. Prabhum Asrayami. He is my master. He is my teacher. He is my guru. So in this way, I pay my obeisances. Or another meaning is what? Shuddha Saraswati's meaning. That is actual true meaning. Vairagya yug bhakti rasam. Vairagya means is what? First word I told you, the Vairagya means, what did I say? Renunciation. That is Vairagya. Renounce, detached. And here Vairagya, two words coming. Vishesha raga iti Vairagya. Vairagya, another meaning is coming. Vishesh means special, rag means attachment, that is Vairagya. Generally we are saying Vairagya means is what? Detachment. Renunciation. Conditional soul, they have so much attachment with the material sense gratification. They have to run. Conditional soul means is what? Stool worm. Visaya Vistha, Kida. I am not saying. Chaitanya Charitamrita, we read. Sometimes people say, Maharaj, why you are saying this? I am not saying. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami wrote, Visaya Vistha Kida. Visaya means material sense gratification. Vistha means stool. Kida means worms. So conditional soul means this way. Visaya Vistha Kida. So how to detach from to material sense gratification? That is general meaning. Another special meaning, Vairagya yukta bhakti rasam. Vairagya means Vishesh rag. Vishesh means special. Rag means deep attachment. Vairagya yuk bhakti rasam. That means one who feed me. Very nice, beautiful, religious, prema bhakti, Vairagya yuk bhakti, Vishesh raga bhakti. Raga bhakti, not Vaidhi bhakti, raga bhakti. Two types of bhakti. What is it called? One is called Vaidhi bhakti, another is called Raganuga bhakti, Braj Raganuga bhakti. One is called Vaidhi bhakti, another is called Braja Raganuga bhakti. So here Raghunath Das Goswami is Vairagya yug bhakti rasam. Bhakti and bhakti ras. Here is bhakti and bhakti ras. Bhakti means devotional service. Ras means What is called? Really simple. Eh? Vairagya jo bhakti. What is the Vairagya? Vishesha bhakti is what? The highest Braj Prema Bhakti. What Braj Prema Bhakti? Same come I told. Srimati Radhika's highest prem. Madanakku Mahabhav. That Madan Mahabhav want a sprinkle. He feed me, he gave me. Vaisho Vairagya Bhakti Sam Prajatni. Anapsu. Prajatni Anapsu. Andham. I don't want, but he gives me. As like baby does not want to eat, then mother by force and feeding. Because mother realized if my baby would not eat, then he will become skinny. So for this reason, mother so much affection with her baby by force feeding. In the same way, Raghunath Das Goswami explained his Sanatana Goswami path, how he nourishment to me with the prem ras. So this is the pranam mantra. Understand? Now coming in this way, that is called sadhaka rupena. All these were siddha rupena. Siddha rup means Raghunath Das we realize I am Rati Manjari. Rupa Goswami realized I am Rupa Manjari. But how they etiquette to each other? Bhakta Vaishnava etiquette also need. How to give respect to Guru, how to give respect to Vaishnava, Hari Guru Vaishnava. How to give respect to Hari Guru Vaishnava. How to give respect. But here, Vilas Kusmanjali, first look, Raghunath Das Goswami, he is paying his reverence to whom? Rupa Manjari, not Rupa Goswami. What is saying? Tang Rupa Manjari Paditapure Asmin. Tang Rupa Manjari Paditapure Asmin. Hey Rupa Manjari, I know you are very chaste lady. Understand? Chaste lady. Chaste lady means is what? One who pointed with her husband. That's called chaste lady. I know you are very chaste. And you never no pasati. And you never see the face of other male person. Understand? So the Tang Rupa Manjari Paditapure Osmin. Parsa Badanam. No pasas. You never look others male person face. No. Understand? That means never attached with the any male persons. Here see means is what? Watch means what? Looking means is what? Attachment. We are looking to everybody. This is the attachment. This is called these things. You cannot walk with close your eyes. You open your eyes. So you open your eyes, you can see to everybody or not. So looking to others, this is not the problem. Problem is what? If your eye is going to enjoy the sense gratifications, that is the problem. So for this regard, Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad explained, we have two types of eyes. What is the two types of eyes? One is called Kama Chakshu, or another is called Prema Chakshu. Remember, eyes of lust or eyes of divine love. Which vision are you looking? That is depend on you. Kama Chakshu and Prema Chakshu. You look someone with a Kama Chakshus, that is you are falling down. Or same way, if you look others with your prema chakshu, the eyes of divine love. That is, you bring to up. So that means kama chakshu pulling down, or prema chakshu going up. That means that kama chakshu means enjoying sense gratification. Or prema chakshu bring to Golok Vrindavan. Seva vritti. This thing. Give an example. One very nice, beautiful young girl, you are looking. Kama chakshu to enjoy sense gratification. The last, that is called last kama. Or prema chakshu, remembering pastimes of Krishna. How gopis, they are very beautiful. Looking not the bad things. Bad things is what? Depend on your mind. This thing. What are you thinking? Sense gratification, that is called kama chakshu. Or same thing, remembering pastimes of Krishna. These things. How gopis are very beautiful. This is the thing. So, two kinds of our eyes, vision, darshan. One is called prema chakshu, another is called kama chakshu. So now coming in this way, here Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami Pad, he glorifies to whom? Rupa Manjari, not Rupa Goswami. The Tang Rupa Manjari Patitapure Osmin. Hey Rupa Manjari, I know you are very chaste. Satinari. No pasati. You never see the face of
Male person.
male person. Here male person means never attachment. Here she means is what? Attachment. Understand this thing? No sense gratification. So I know you are Satinari. Tang Rupa Manjari Patita Puri Osmin. Then another also explain. I know, couple days, a few days, your husband is not in the house. But I am looking one reddish spot mark on your very nice, beautiful, ripened bamboo fruits, as like your lips. One spot marks. Understand? And your lips is as like very nice, beautiful, reddish bimbo fruits. Bimbo fruits is one kind of fruit. Very when they ripen, then completely what? Reddish color. And also very soft. In the same way, here Raghunath Das Goswami explained, I am looking on the spot, reddish or the spot marks. Where is coming these spot marks? Your wife, your husband is not few days in your house. So who kissed you? Spot marks coming is what? Biting the lips. Where is coming this way? So Tang Rupa Manjari. Then again, oh, I know. Oh, maybe one very nice, beautiful parrot. Sukapunga Beno. That is English logo. Sukapunga Beno. Must be one very nice, beautiful Sukapakshi. Sukapakshi means? Papagayo, parrot. Oh, parrot. He noticed your lips as like very nice, beautiful, ripened, reddish color, bimbo. Oh, maybe that parrot seated and bite. For this real. And he did not meet with any male person, this is true. But must be one Sukapunga Veno, one Sukapakshi. Here is who is Suka? Or the inner meaning. Eh? Raghunath Das Goswami is Prati Manjari. Here he used this word, Sukapengobino. Very special. Sukapakshi. Who is the special Sukapakshi?
Krishna.
Krishna. Must be Krishna. Bite with your lips. Then Krishna kissed. This types of pranam mantra. How is going in there? Now the question is coming. Those who are the manjaris, yesterday someone asked, what is the mood of manjari? What is the mood manjari? In the group of Chandravali, they are manjaris or not? Only group of Srimati Radhika. Radhika is gone, only manjaris. Manjari is not in the group of Chandravali. Chandravali Sakhis are there. Sakhis and manjaris, different categories. You may understand or not. You read the Jewels of the Heart. I should explain this way. Which called Sakhis and which called manjari. Manjaris, they are called Sakhis. But all Sakhis are not manjari. Do you understand? Not understand. What do you understand? What did he say? Follow.
Manjaris are Sakhis, but Sakhis
Mangaji?
are not Manjaris.
All manjaris, all Sakhis, they are called Sakhis, okay. But all Sakhis not become manjaris. But all manjaris, they are called also Sakhis. That is Rupa Manjari. Also says manjari and so Sakhis both. But all Sakhis not become manjaris. But what is the speciality of manjaris? Manjaris means one thing is that our scripture Vishwanath Chakravarti manjari, those who have Radhika Nishtha. Radhika Nishtha means only one pointed with Srimati Radhika. That is called Radhika Nishtha. Radha Eka Radhika. Only one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Radhika Nishtha. That is called, they are called actual manjaris. Three types of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. One is called Krishna Nishtha Sakhis. Binda Bindarika Dhanistha. They are called Krishna Nishtha Sakhis. That means Nishtha with Krishna. But they serve Srimati Radhika also. Vrindadevi's duty is also so confidential. But she is not manjari, she is Sakhi. But her intents towards Krishna. That is called Krishna Paksha Sakhi. And third, second, Ubhay Paksha. Ubhay Paksha means both groups they serve. That is called Lulita, Vishakha. That is Ubhay Paksha gopis. They are intents both. Or third, that is called Radha Paksha gopi. Radhaika Nishtha gopi. They are only one point Srimati Radhika. And they are always staying with Srimati Radhika as like the shadow of Srimati Radhika. Where is Radha? Their manjaris are there. They never separate from Srimati Radhika. Sukhaino, Dukhaino cha. With the happiness, unhappiness, they are always staying with Srimati Radhika. And eating, sleeping. Where they were doing, every second, every moment, they are always staying with Srimati Radhika. Radhika Nishtha. But this is not the enough force. What they are calling it? They have one thing called Bhavullas Rati. This is very difficult to understand in their heart. If I tell you, can you understand? Because this is very deep. If you want to know, then read many things, learn many things. Understand these things. If you want to know the mathematics and algebra, you have to learn many, what is called?
Formulas. Formulas.
Sutra. Definition. And a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus A cube minus B cube, you know,
Yes.
algebra. Meaning, about 250 sutra you know, then you can proper way to solve the all kinds of mathematics. Understand? Algebra. Algebra, understand? You read or not?
No.
You're not reading? A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, A cube plus B cube. This is simple.
Yes.
This is basic in the mathematics. Your mathematics not you reading.
Yeah, we study this.
What do you study?
Yeah, this is
What the A plus B whole square?
A square plus 2AB plus B square.
I'm bad at this.
Understand? A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, A cube plus B cube, many things. So about 250, not many. If you learn the sutra, then you can, the mathematics, the algebra, you can solve all. So in the same way, I am saying, in the same way, if you want to know Bhavullas Rati, then understand. But this very deep and confidence, everybody can understand. Then your head start to spinning. And you may understand not the meaning of faith or not, Shraddha. Shraddha sabde viswas kaye shudra nischay Krishna bhakti kare sarva karma krita Shraddha sunanupaya varjanam bhakti mukhi chittavritti visesa then Shraddha sadhu sangha bhajana kriya anarthriti nishtha ruchi asakti bhav then prem sneha man puna rag rag bhav mahabhav. I told 1 second, but many explanation, not one day you can understand. Just you want to know about this Shraddha, so need many things. One life Shraddha, this is very important, not so easy. So, or this Bhavullas Ruti, how possible to understand? And not so easy. Just to listen the word. What is called? Bhavo Ullas Ruti. Bhavullas Ruti. And actually this is God. What kinds of mood manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika, and that things completely were reflected in the heart of Manjaris, not of others. What Srimati Radhika thinking, and same thoughts, Chintan, reflected in the heart of Manjaris. Because Manjaris, they are perfect servitor, Seva. Here Vishwanath Chakraborty, who can serve Guru and Krishna? One who knows the heart of his Ishtadeva. If you don't know the heart of Ishtadeva, you cannot proper way to serve. Is it true? You can serve. But if you want to perfect way, as it is, so you have to know his heart. Simple way, Gurudev gave an example. Guru told, give 1 glass of water, I am thirsty. What do you want? You bring water or not? But the question is, what water? Warm water, hot water, or cold water? He wants cold water. Are you brought hot or warm water? He cannot drink. He wants warm water. Are you brought ice? And no, this is very hot time. And they can drink and put the water and also put on the piece of ice and Gurudev drink. Because this time is very hot. Understand? In India, June, July, very hot. No. Cold drink. You have seen? India have seen or no?
No.
Cold drink. And very cold. And that water, very cold. I don't know, they put some chemical or something, I don't know this. They are eating the cold drink. Eh? Ah. So thank you, Gurudev. Today is very hot, 40 degree, 45, 46. Eh? So Gurudev, take this. Which water? Cold drink. Huh? And Gurudev, he will drink or not? He will not drink. So this is not the service. How can serve? If you know the heart, or maybe a question, how do serve? Then ask simple way. Hey, Gurudev, you want to drink which water? Okay, you bring little bit, one water. Then you can bring. And if you don't know, just you will Gurudev tell, hey, bring water. Then disciple run away. Then after 5 minutes, disciple return back. Gurudev asks, hey, where is the water? Gurudev, I forgot one thing. Well, what? Gurudev, I forgot to ask you, which water do you want? Drink. Yes, stupid nonsense. 5 minutes I am fasting. Okay. You bring. Which water? Okay, one water. Then going, and then after 5 minutes, again return back without water. Gurudev asks, hey, where's the water? Gurudev, I forgot another things. What things? Gurudev, you will drink water, tap water, no? Is coming the water in the tap water. Or do you want to drink water, Bisleri water, you know, Bisleri? This water is coming from the bottled water. Hey, pagal. 10 minutes passed, but still you did not bring water. Then Gurudev, okay, you bring water. Which water? Tap water. Because if I tell you bring the bottled water, then you will go to the market, then you can return back. Oh, Gurudev, now 7 o'clock, market not open. Maybe 10 o'clock the market will open. It is better bring which water? Tap water. You know, very simple. Every day, every second you will come. So Gurudev told, okay, bring the tap water. Again he ran away. After 5 minutes, again return back without water. Gurudev, hey, where is the water? Gurudev, I forgot one thing. What? Gurudev, I bring water for you with glass or plastic glass. I forgot this. What do you prefer? I will bring water with in this steel glass or the plastic. I already how many? 20 minutes past. Okay, Gurudev told. Okay, you bring plastic. Because when you Gurudev, I have no steel glass. So it is better if you get that one. Then again return back 5 minutes. Without bringing water. Without saying, hey, where's the water? Gurudev, I forgot one thing. What is that? Gurudev, I bring water for you and hold the glass with my hand or put on the tray. Stupid. 25, 30 minutes. Then Gurudev told, no need to bring water, stupid nonsense. No need, sir. Then Gurudev, yesterday in your class, you told, what sloka? Guru Susu Swabhakta. Without servicing Guru, my spiritual life completely what? Spoiled. Then Gurudev. Bolo Vrindavan. This is Gurudeva. Are you serve Guru? Simple. But if you proper way to serve Guru, perfect way, absolute 100%. Serve the Guru, you have to realize the heart of Guru. Otherwise cannot. As you cannot 100% serve the Guru. Maybe 10%, 5%, 20%, 50%. 50% you can serve. If you want to serve to Guru 100%, completely, then you have to know the how to. Why I'm saying that? Because Manjaris, they are the perfect servitor of Srimati Radhika. Why? Because all the mood of Srimati Radhika reflected in their heart. For this regard, they are perfect qualification. A perfect servitor of Srimati Radhika. That is called all the moods of Srimati Radhika. So now in this way, the Bhavur Ullas Rati inside is there. This is that. Bhavur Ullas. And they complete, and also completely, absolutely, one point of Srimati Radhika. So here the Tang Rupa Manjari Padita Pure was in this sloka. Raghunath Das Goswami, that means Rati Manjari says, hey Rupa Manjari, you have this spot. Why? Actual Srimati Krishna embraced to Srimati Radhika. Listen to lips of Srimati Radhika. And same reflected in where? In the Manjaris, for this Padmarkam. Manjaris, they are and independently, they never meet with Krishna. And for this regard, Manjari, they are called Radhika Nishtha. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal. Good Premanand. I'm going Hindi class. We are waiting. Good Premanand. So again.
महाराज की
Okay.